Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the Rugged Ridge non-locking fuel door for your 97 to 06 Wrangler. This is going to be for anyone that's looking to change up the outside appearance of their Wrangler and really doesn't like looking at that factory gas cap. This is an easy bolt-on that requires no modification and drilling and attaches directly over the factory gas cap. This is made of polished aluminum and has a gasoline-resistant coating, so it's going to last you a long time. This is going to be your most affordable option on the site at around $60. And as far as install goes, I'm going to give this 1 out of 3 wrenches since you can install this in under 20 minutes using simple hand tools. With that being said, let's jump into the install. First step for this install is to remove these 4 screws. If you have the factory screws, they should be a Phillips head. I have replacement ones, so I'm going to use a flathead. So now that you've removed the factory screws, you're ready to install the new cover using the provided hardware. So we're just going to place this over. Well guys, that wraps up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.